Hello viewers, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So today we'll be solving two pairs of linear equations simultaneously. So we'll be solving using substitution methods and elimination methods. Now, in substitution method, the steps involved is that all you need to do is from the first equation, you make either x or y the solid of the formula. When you make, for example, when you make x the solid of the formula here, you substitute the value of x in equation 2. And when you do that, you now get your what? Your y. Then once you get your y, then you substitute the value of the y that you got in the third equation. The third equation, that particular equation which you made the solid of the formula. The equation you get after you must have made either x or y the solid of the formula. That's very simple. You get your x and y. Then for elimination method, what you do is to eliminate either x or y. From here, you multiply using the coefficient of x here. Using the coefficient of x, the coefficient of x here is 3. You use 3 to multiply through. Then after, you use the coefficient of x here to multiply through again to get another equation. Maybe equation 3 and 4. This is equation 1, 2. Then it will eliminate the x. You can even do it in y. If you multiply using the coefficient of y here and also the coefficient of y here, then you eliminate y. After eliminating y, you get your x. Then to get your y, you now substitute the value of x in any of this equation. As simple as that. You understand better when we resume this solving. Now, look at this. You have 5x plus y equal to 0. Which one should we make the solid of the formula? Let's make y the solid of the formula. If we make y the solid of the formula in equation 1, let's just call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 1. We call this equation 2. We have that y equal to minus 5x. Now, substituting this value of y in equation 2, what do you get? We have 3x. You have 3x minus 2, then y. We replace y with this. We have minus 5x equal to 13. Right? Now, 3x minus, no, it has to be plus. We'll use this to multiply this. Have plus 10x equal to 13. 3x plus 10x, you have 13x equal to 13. You make x the subject here. Divide through by the coefficient of x, which is divided through by 13. 13 will cancel 13, cancel 13, cancel 13. You have 1. Then x is equal to 1. Then to get your y, substitute this value of s in the equation 3. This is your equation 3. Substitute this, the value of s in equation 3. We have that y equal to minus 5 times 1. Then y equal to minus 5. As simple as that. Then for this one, we want to eliminate x here to get our y. Then we'll come back to substitute the value of x in any of the equation. Let's start. 3 multiplied by 5, you have 15x. 3 multiplied by this, you have 3. 3 times this, you have 0. 5 times this, you have 15. 5 times this, you have 10. 5 times 13, we have 65. Right? There is y here. Now you subtract. When you subtract, you have here you have minus 65. Minus 65, right? Then here you have 3 minus 10. You have what? We have, okay, we have plus 13. 13y, right? Now divide both sides with the coefficient of y, which is divided through by 13. Here by 13. 13 will cancel 13. Then y is equal to what? 65. You have bring down your minus. 65 divided by 13 will give you 5. You have y as minus 5. Now to get your x, you substitute the value of y in any of this equation. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Substitute the value of y in any of this equation. Let's substitute where? Where should we substitute? Okay, let's substitute in equation 1. We substitute in equation, we have 5x plus minus 5 equal to 0. 5x equal to this 5x will come to this side. We have positive 5. Divide through by 5. We have what? X equal to 1. Yeah, x equal to 1. What if we substitute the value of this y in equation 2? We substitute the value of this y in equation 2. We have the 3x minus 2, y is what? Minus 5 equal to 13. We have 3x plus 10 equal to 13. Right? We have 3x equal to 13 minus what? Minus 10. We have 3x equal to 13 minus 10 will give you what? 3. Divide through by 3. 3 will cancel 3. Then x is also equal to 1. As simple as that.